Hi everyone, this is Lasya. In this video, I am going to explain about isolation of genomic DNA from plant cells by CTAB method. CTAB method is one of the most commonly used methods to extract DNA from plants by using CTAB buffer. CTAB method is suitable method for elimination of macromolecule without affecting the purity of the DNA. It was firstly done by Murray and Thompson in 1980s. Let's see the requirements of this method. Eppendorf, green young leaf, pipette, pestils, and CTAB buffer. Plant cells can be lysed with ionic detergent CTAB, which forms an insoluble complex with nucleic acids in a low salt concentration environment. Let us move to the procedure. Take the leaf and cut it using cap of Eppendorf. Now take the 1 ml pipette and pipette out 400 ml of CTAB buffer and add it into the Eppendorf. Now take the pestle and grind the leaf thoroughly so that there should not be a small particles. These small particles lead to the contamination of the mortar. Incubate for 30 minutes at 60 degrees. After incubating, set the centrifuge for centrifugation at 14,500 rpm for 6 minutes. Here we are adding another Eppendorf for balance. Centrifugation leads to form a supernatant and a pellet. Now add equal volume of chloroform and isoamyl alcohol to it. This is isoamyl alcohol and chloroform which are in the ratio of 24:1. After adding isoamyl alcohol and chloroform, invert the Eppendorf 5 times and centrifuge at 15,000 rpm for 5 minutes. After centrifugation, we can observe aqueous layer and an organic layer. Aqueous layer in white color and organic layer in green color. See, here we can observe the aqueous layer in white color which is in the middle and organic layer at the top, and we can also observe the pellet. Now we have to pipette out the aqueous layer into a new Eppendorf. After taking the aqueous layer into the new Eppendorf, we have to add double the content of the chilled ethanol into the aqueous solution. After adding chilled ethanol, again centrifuge the content to precipitate the DNA. Now discard the supernatant and air dry the pellet. Here we can observe a small pellet. Now add 20 ml of TE buffer. Dilute the DNA 1000 times in TE buffer and quantity by the OD at 260 nanometers. Now add bromophenol blue. After adding, mix it thoroughly in the Eppendorf by using pipette. Now take 6 ml of this solution and load it into the agarose gel electrophoresis. We should be very careful while loading it in the agarose gel electrophoresis. Here we can observe small wells. We should be very careful such that the well should not be disturbed. Here are the results. Orange color plant genomic DNA bands are observed under UV transilluminator. Thank you.